it. Hey. Love that. Anyway, I forgot what I was saying. All right, welcome back to another home tour. We're in South Tulsa today at my friend Michael Young's Brokers Open. Really great house. Like, guys, you're not gonna be able to rebuild this home with all the character and all the updates that it has if you were building it brand new. And it's in a great area.
Wouldn't be able to rebuild the same house for the price, is what I meant to say.
We're right between 71st and 81st on Sheridan, I believe. So really close to everything. Let me flip this around. It has a newer roof. The decks and stuff are new fencing, LVP throughout. So a lot of really great updates. You have a nice big shade tree in the front. I think it actually has a great amount of character. I love the archway. But let's head on in here and get this going. He's having a broker's open, so there's some people inside like usual. I've already had some deliciousness from Bobby Gray, but nice, good entry here. At the time of the video, $369,900, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Obviously that 2-car garage that you just saw. Wah, a little bit rainy today. Check out these high ceilings. I mean, come on, how great is that? Love the fireplace. You can see that LVP there. Love the gray and like taupe stones on there. Really cool. Lots of natural light here. Great front door. You've also got this really cool accent wall on the stairs, which is great. But yeah, quartz counters. There's Michael right there. I was going to harass him, but I won't do it. It's fine.
Doesn't mean
Everyone's hanging out. Kitchen nook. It's actually your formal dining because we have another nook behind me. But great kitchen. Check out the hardware here. Love that. Titan is sponsoring today, Bobby Gray, with all of her deliciousness. Look at this. She's amazing. Double sink out with the window looking out to the back, which is great. The church owns the lot over there, so you have a green belt, which is really cool. Great backsplash, electric range, shaker cabinets. But again, I like the hardware. I think they did a really great job. Pantry right there, and then over here is just kind of like a den slash like a living room nook, whatever you want to call it, sitting area. Out here is the patio. I'll step out there really quick. Oh, Bobby's enjoying it. What do you think? It's pretty great. I like it. I like that that patio is connected to the master too, which is pretty great. You got the other deck out here. I'm not going to go out there right now because I don't want to get my shoes dirty and then walk through the house, but we'll keep going. Across the way, you've got bathroom right here. Classic shiplap. Love that. Nice new vanity. Very cool. And then down here is going to be that primary bedroom or the master bedroom, depending on what you're feeling. It's the South. We all still say master for the most part. All of our contracts even say that. Anyway, squeeze through the blinds there. See, there's that patio. Private deck. Sorry, not patio for the bedroom, which is great. You've got barn doors into our bath. Really great. Love the tiles. Nice big hexagons, I think. Nice freestanding tub. I also like the accent of the tile on the wall. Quartz vanities here, both sides, which is great. You've got a nice sized closet as well. Nice high ceiling. Got storage on the shelving above, which is great. And then on the other side is going to be your toilet area and the shower. That's some linen storage, shower. Not bad, not bad. Let's head down this way. On this side, we've got laundry room, and then I'll show you a sneak peek of that garage. Nice big 2-car, got some shelving. Now, I didn't mention the sellers are willing to sell it fully furnished because they're moving to Florida. So they'd rather not take any of it with them.
That's typical of us, honestly. You said it takes an hour.
You said it takes an hour.
So up here, what's up? What is it? Haven't been up here yet. Yes, I'm recording, of course. You're like... We have a nice little, what they're using. You don't know what to say. You got kind of like a playroom happening here, but could be a reading nook, book nook, whatever. Looks like we've got a bedroom over here. Nice size. Decent closet, I will say. I mean, you probably can't see that on camera at all, but typical size. Over here, we've got good sized vanity space. And, oh, I was not expecting that. So we got a Pullman here coming through to the other vanity here. And then the other bedroom. And we'll come around, opposite closet. This one might be. It is a walk-in closet. Pretty nice. Which brings us back around. There's the landing when we first came up. And this is the game room. Could be another bedroom if you wanted it to be. It does have a closet. But really great space here. No complaints there. But yeah. And now it's gotten really humid outside, so that's great. But anyway, if you're interested in this house, obviously reach out to me. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about it? I think it has a lot of really great characteristics, and for the money, I think it's a pretty fair price. The sellers do have a lot of furniture where I think it kind of distracts from the house a little bit, but that's not a big deal. I mean, you gotta have some vision, you know, in real estate. But also makes sense. They want to get rid of all of it because they're moving to Florida, like I said. So if you saw stuff in the video and you're interested in it, hey. Love that. Anyway, I forgot what I was saying, but oh yeah, fully furnished. So they are willing to sell basically everything in there with an acceptable offer. So I think that's a unique thing, depending on what your situation is. Some people are actually looking for that. So hope you have a fantastic day. I hope you enjoyed this tour. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home tours like this. And if I can ever be of assistance for all things real estate, or if you just have questions about the Tulsa area, hey, reach out to me. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.